One of the first question every trader asks is, which crypto derivative exchange should I use? There are dozens of platforms out there and they all promise low fees, high leverage and the best trading experience. But here's the truth. The best exchange isn't the one with the highest leverage. It's the one that is easy to use, secure and helps you trade responsibly. In this video, I will show you the 4 things every beginner should look out for before choosing a crypto derivatives exchange. Let's get started. Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys the best exchange you can use as a new beginner trader and the 4 things you need to understand before you choose any crypto exchange. Alright, now the number 1 thing you need to consider before choosing a crypto exchange is number 1, choose an exchange with simple interface. Alright, as a beginner, the last thing you want is a platform that feels confusing. A good exchange should make it easy for you to deposit funds, open and close a trade, set stop loss and take profit. Make sure you track your profit and loss. If the interface is too complicated, you are more likely to make costly mistakes. Remember, your focus should be learning how to trade, not figuring out where every button is. Alright, so if the exchange is too complicated for you, just know that it's not actually meant for beginners. Alright, so the number 2 thing is compare trading fees. Trading fees may seem small, but they add up over time. When you're comparing exchanges, check makers fees, takers fee, funding fees for perpetual futures, withdrawal fees. Lower fees can help you keep more of your profit, especially if you trade frequently. Alright, all of these small fees contribute. They can add up to everything. You might think it's small right now, but they add up over time. Also, that is the things you need to look out for as a new trader. Alright, step 3, make security a priority. Alright, the exchange that provides security are the exchange you need to look out for. Alright, now make sure before depositing money, make sure the exchange offers 2-factor authentication, strong account protection, a solid reputation, reliable customer support, because it's very important for you to have all of these things being available on your exchange that you want to use. Alright, reliable customer support is very important. Your trading capital should always be protected. Step 4, look at available futures. Different exchange offers different tools. As a beginner, useful futures include demo trading, multiple orders type like limit order, market order, stop loss and take profit options, easy to access history and account performance. These features makes learning much easier. Alright, make sure those things offers all of it. Make sure it's very easy for you to access. Alright, now the exchange I personally use, and a lot of people ask me which exchange I use. I personally trade on Delta Exchange. As you can see right here, here is Delta Exchange. They are easy to deposit, easy to withdraw. Their trading fees are very simple. Their trading fees are very low, and they have demo trading. Alright, also if you don't have an account right now for you to trade, you can also practice with their demo trading and you can check your analysis right here. Their customer support is very active, and also they have user guide on how to use the exchange properly. So I recommend everyone, if you're watching this video and you don't have an account with Delta Exchange, there will be a link in the description where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. Here are the things I like about Delta Exchange. I like it because the platform is easy to navigate, execution is smooth, and it has trading tools I need. Alright, that doesn't mean it's a perfect exchange for everyone. Everyone has their own exchange they prefer, but I always recommend you use ones that are very easy to access, just like Delta Exchange. No matter which platform you choose, remember this: an exchange will make you a profitable trader. your knowledge, discipline and risk management will. Alright, if you're starting out, pick an exchange that is easy to understand. Learn how everything and every futures works on that exchange before putting in your real money. Start small with any amount you are comfortable losing. Focus on improving your skills rather than chasing quick profit. Alright, the exchange is just your tool. Your success depends on how well you use it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notification bell so you get notified whenever we post videos about crypto trading for beginners, so we help you trade smartly. Alright, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also for trade signals, you can check the link on our description to join our Telegram channel. There we share our trade insights and signals every single day. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.